They'll catch you when they get here. And they'll kill you. And run.
I told you I'm all alone.
What? Where will I run to? My father is dead. My mother is dead. I cannot go to my maternal grandmother's house because they don't like me there. I'm going to meet the Igwe. Let him kill me himself.
Now you leave me with no other choice than to kill you.
Do not go back there again.
I can just run away from my father's land.
It's dangerous for you to go back there.
I was chosen by the gods.
Over my dead body, will I allow Ugomma to take my rightful position in this family? Never allow our son Ofodile to be king.
Take him to the evil forest and bring me his head.
Hey!
Why do I always feel strange every time I come to a place where I'm supposed to get help?
Continue to search for her, for she will never go scot-free after killing my son with her witchcraft.
No one could tell how she managed to leave the house when everywhere was on fire.
I told you the mystery behind your calamity for you to know the truth, not for you to endanger your life.
I am not a coward. I need to stop this evil before it gets far.
Why are you in a hurry? There is still time.
The time is not yet right. When the hour is right, the gods will perfect everything.
Ezechina will become the Igwe of this kingdom.
I will not stoop low to marry a dog like you. Nketa,
The future Igwe of this land. You call me Nketa, dog. Just 3 days. You will bow down before me.
Tell the Igwe that I have a surprise for him. And only you will deliver the message of that surprise.